Hello! We are going to walk you through the NADA Bookout process. The first thing you'll want to do when you arrive on this web page is to start by selecting the motorcycle option. This is the option for any Powersport unit you are trying to finance. Then you are going to select the Get Started button. This page will display a variety of manufacturers for Powersport units, so you'll just want to select the manufacturer for your unit. In this example, our unit is a Yamaha. You'll now want to select the year for your model. You have the option to scroll through all the models for your manufacturer from that year, or you can select a category. In this example, we are financing a personal watercraft unit, so we'll select that. Then, you'll select your unit. Once you do that, you'll want to type in your zip code. Hit Continue. Then, you'll have the option to price for standard equipment or select your options. For this video, we will choose Select Your Options. During this process, it's critical that you select choices in each of the categories listed before moving on. Once you reach the bottom, go ahead and select Next. You'll be brought to a new page. We'll need all of this information, but the most important part is the number in the green box. To send this to us, go ahead and hit the three dots at the top of your web page and then click Print. Once you click Print, you'll save the page as a PDF and then go ahead and email it to us. Let us know if you have any further questions.